Hello, 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 friends. Welcome in, and please excuse me if I start going like every 2 minutes because I have the hiccups. And I know this is someone's fucking fetish out there, so. Except. Oh my fucking god, guys. I actually need someone to scare me with $1 million. Queen, just check it out. Oh, my bro. Hiccups. I hiccuped for 24 hours on a deserted island. Doing what? Bring myself. The carrot way. Oh god. On save how I. So. Futurama. Literally. But yeah. I'm actually suffering right now. To any of the hiccup fetishes out there, eat your heart out type beat. This whole. Yeah, you're not just wrong, you're stupid, and you're ugly, just like your mum. And oh yeah. Well, like you know. Oh god, so sorry. They create cold. Are they go? No. Happened to me the unbear. And the like fuck, and it's not. And so. Do. It's not like the hiccups like holy fig. Let's see if this works. So hold your dick. Alright, I think I'm cured. I think I'm actually cured. Boo. By the way guys, launching my OF. No one fucking clip this. Another day, another sleigh.